Welcome to the Posing Guide. Posing sometimes can be a confusing and intimidating subject. What to do and why to do it aren't easily available informations. With this class, I wanted to create a statement guide, a source of information that lets you know not just what to do, but when and mostly why. First of all, what is posing? It is the art of adding layers of meaning and emotion to the work of the photographer and to express yourself and your ideas. How to look good in photographs is an art by itself. When we see a photo that's too good to be real, we tend to give credit to photographer and Photoshop. Truth is that a good pose can really do the magic by itself. Looking good on a photo is not a matter of chance or just genetics. And together we will hack what makes a good photo and increases the ratio of your good shots. We'll get to the point that with little practice you'll never have to take dozens of selfies before posting one again. And most importantly, when you'll work with a photographer, you'll achieve striking results in shorter time.